In this video, I will teach you how to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is an essential software for using Mini SAP, also known as Free SAP, and not just these two, but many others. So I will teach you how to install and configure it. First, we need to go to this website, virtualbox.org. I will also leave this link in the video description. When we go to this page, click download. In this case, I'm using Windows as my operating system, so I will click Windows Hosts. But if you are using a Mac or an Apple device, click Mac OS. If it's Linux, click here. Or if you are using Solaris, click here. In my case, I will install it on Windows. And after we finish the installation on Windows, we also need to install this extension pack. But let's start by installing VirtualBox here on Windows. I will click Save. And then click Open File. Do you want to allow it? Yes. Preparing the installation, next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Next. It says it will temporarily reset our internet connection during the installation. We will click yes. It says it needs the Python core package, so continuing the installation, we install Python core as well. We click yes. Here we will choose which options we want, whether to create an entry menu. I will leave it check. Create a desktop shortcut. I will leave it check. Leave the files as .ova or .of as the default. I will leave them check as well. I will leave them all checked. Now let's install. Install. Okay, now finish, and it will open the program now. Finish. Okay, it's open here. Get started with VirtualBox. Let's close. Here on the desktop appear Oracle VirtualBox. Now we will install the extension pack. Back to the website. Just click here, accept and download. Save. Open file. Install. Scroll down and click I agree. Do you want to allow? Yes. The packing is installing. Done. Now we have VirtualBox installed along with the extension pack. See you in the next video.